Welcome to Amazing Dreams channel. I am describing here night dream that I found few months back. You can see this and enjoy. One 70 white cinema screen appeared in dream. In the center of the screen, a red color round was found in standstill position. In general dream, scenes will be moving from one to other for indicating the message and complete. But in this dream, standstill scene was found. That is, from night 12 p.m. to 4 a.m. next day morning. No more scene and message came in dream. I picturized my dream here. You can observe also. With this picture, what to predict, how to predict. People will see this picture and imagine their own prediction. But I have not predicted my message because my guessing prediction may go wrong. I have noted down the scene deeply and made a note of few understandings. That is, white screen as per my instinct is prapancham, world or globe, we can say. And red round indicated a danger mark. It's a danger symbol. I was not able to identify the location where the danger is because the dream has not shown me the special place. Next day morning, when I open newspaper, the headline was Severe Cyclone Attacked Thailand. Subsequently, more countries were attacked by cyclone, one by one in few days. Only after that I understood this may be the symptom I have foreseen in dream. I agree. One thing, the opinion from person to person may differ always, not always, sometimes. Anyway, people who predict by seeing this picture on their own wish may enjoy. I don't confirm anything now, but what I dreamt has come true in my opinion. Thanks for watching this DV. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.